Hello everyone, hello guys. We'll make together almond paste. Almond paste, very special taste, and we make it very easy. All you need just to follow the instruction in the video. As you see, I have added zero, nothing, only almond and icing sugar. In this video, we learn together how to make original almond paste or praline. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes. In my channel, you will find everything you want about pastry, chocolate, sugar, pastillage, decoration. First, we have 150 gram roasted almond, 150 gram icing sugar or powder sugar. The most important step that you roast almond 155 degree almost 30 minutes. A lot of chefs they added to roast almond or nuts 180 190 for 10 minutes, and that's not enough to roast the core of the almond. 155 Celsius for 30 minutes, you will have amazing roasted almond. While is hot, you add it to, as you see, kitchen process, or if you have RoboCup will much better. So you will add it 155 roasted almond or hazelnut or any nuts, then 150 icing sugar. From every 3 minutes, you must, as you see, squeeze or scratch the edges and mix it again. The whole process, it takes 7 to 10 minutes. So you must have good quality kitchen process or RoboCup, because if you use cheaper kitchen process, after 7-8 minutes it will burn. So I prefer to use good brand, Bosch, Molinex, something Japanese, whatever is good product. So every 3 minutes you stop, you scratch the edges, and after 6 minutes you will see it becomes melting. The fat inside the hazelnut, it becomes oil, and then step by step, as you see, becomes more thick, and after 9 minutes it will becomes very soft. So you can use the same process with hazelnut, or 50-50. You can use 75 gram hazelnut roasted, 75 gram almond roasted with 150 gram of icing sugar. That is all. Now I can keep in jar, and it expire maybe 6-7 months. I prefer to put 1 pinch of salt, that to give more long shelf. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please make likes, leave the comment, tell us what exactly you want to learn in pastry. I have 35 years experience and all here in your channel. Thanks for watching me.